Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the EVS vlog. My name is Haywood, this is Will. I'm the Renaissance man. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button, join the EVS crew. Yo, we got him.
That was terrible.
We got everyone here today.
Nobody cares. Like, why is that so important? No!
Finish him!
Ow! Ow!
Leave me, what they gon' do, bitch? Not for the cop.
Do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
This thing bangs, bro! This thing freaking bangs!
What are you doing? No!
Are we gonna have a party up there? What the f are we doing?
What was that all about? Will!
No, Will, you can't use a ladder. The ladder's lava.
Oh, here! I got it! Can you really do it? No!
Yeah, no. Yes, he can!
200 pounds!
No, he doesn't! He's...
Help me with my landing!
Help him with the landing! Get on your knees!
Oh,
sh
I'm not scared of jumping off the thing. No.
We are going to pick up breakfast for everyone, so I'll see what I can vlog. Alright, we are here. I've never been here before, so let's see what this is all about. Alright, so this is what I got, guys. I got some chocolate croissants, some muffins, red bean bun, whatever the hell that is, chocolate, I don't know what the hell that is, some cinnamon coconut twist thingy, some thingy, and something with bacon. So hopefully I have a pretty good selection of some safe stuff and some unique stuff, I guess. Boom, and that's how you strap things in, guys. Alright, time to go. Yo, alright guys, so we have an F-150 in today. We're putting on the HF6-2, the bronze one's over there. Dude, it's gonna look pretty cool. You can't ever go wrong with bronze and black, you know? So this is gonna be a really cool setup. I'm excited for this one.
The year is 1966. Ford is preparing for Le Mans against Ferrari. Step one of this transition. Lightweight wheels and tires. The year is 1966. Ford is preparing to beat Ferrari. This Ford?
Alright guys, look what we have done. Have we created something amazing or what?
I like it. It's clean, not too over the top.
You can't go wrong with bronze, guys. Look at that color. Look how it pops in the sun. Vossen wheels HF6-2 and satin bronze. Look at this. It has a pretty classy feel to it, probably because like the truck is mainly stock, you know, so it still kind of keeps like that OEM vibe to it, but the wheels obviously just make it look so much better. I'll show you guys the flush fitment so you guys can see, and the concavity as well, so you have an idea. So it looks really good. I'm really happy with how this came out. You don't always have to lift your truck and put on big bumpers and all that stuff. You can go for that lifted off-road look. Something like this, clean and classy, something you can daily drive easy without any issues. I mean, like, it's a win-win. Tesla, McLaren, Tesla, 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 and Tesla. While I have this Model X out here, I might as well show you this. So this is the Model X that we did a Clearbra on the entire car, guys, from bumper all the way to the back. So I just want to show you the clarity of the film, because now it's outside, you can kind of see it better, and just how glossy it looks. You guys see all the metallic flakes in the paint? It's ridiculous. Clear Nano really makes all the metallic flakes pop a lot more in the sunlight, so it just looks really pretty. So the same client with the Model S also brought to my attention some problems he noticed with his window tint. He got done somewhere else. He wasn't really happy with the job. So I figured this would be a great opportunity for me to show you just kind of what to expect when it comes to getting window tint done, what's considered normal, so to speak, and what's considered bad installation. Just so you have an idea in case you've never gotten tint done, this is your first time. Hey, well, what's considered quality work? What's considered normal? What should I look for? So I'm gonna show you what is considered probably an issue you might want to bring up. So normally the first thing I look at is the cornering right here. So This is not really a nice cut. Obviously, as you can tell, they didn't really follow the shape of the glass. Sometimes you can't, but most of the time, especially with Model S, you can follow the shape of the glass. As you can see, this cut is not the same as this cut here. There's a lot of dust specks or dust bubbles, as you can see, like these little dots everywhere. Now, it's really, really hard to do a complete tint job on a car and have zero dust specks. It's nearly impossible, but you can typically do a lot to minimize it as much as you can. Again, with this window, the cuts aren't great. They didn't really follow the edge of the window for that clean look. As you guys can see, it's kind of jagged. The biggest thing I noticed right off the bat is just the amount of dust specks. So typically the back window and the front windshield will have the most just because they're the most difficult to do. This is a little bit excessive, and again, there's a lot more of these little specks everywhere. The installer probably didn't clean the window correctly or at all. This window here, I don't know if you can see, but you see that little lighter edge there? It looks like it's lifting. Again, we have bad cuts on the corners. Well, this one's interesting. You guys see this line here where the tint starts? If you follow it, you notice how it's getting wider, and right here is a huge gap. And then the cut there, it's just not even. So the front windshield is the hardest window to do typically just because of the location. It's right in front of the dash. It's not exactly easy for someone to get up close and personal with it to lay the film down, so it's a lot trickier. So you have to be a little bit more forgiving as far as cleanliness goes just because it's hard to maintain or to do. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a lot of dust specks everywhere. Again, there's a degree to the amount of dust specks you can expect to have, especially on a front windshield. It's gonna be there. You guys are gonna have some. But this is a little bit excessive because you have a big cluster here and it just goes all the way up. The whole side is just filled with dust specks everywhere. If you guys have questions about your window tint, just email me, comment down below. I'll be more than happy to answer for you guys. Let's see what Tyler's doing right now. We'll check back in with him later. Are you taking over just a tip for Will today?
Yeah.
Do you think Will's good at what he does?
Not really. Also, you can buy sunglasses. So if you're bored and you want to waste your money here, you just buy
Hold on, we gotta close that.
mini colors for you. Like, you know, make your color, and that's it.
So what Will did was he did a stage 2 paint correction on this car. So basically what that means is he polished all the paint surfaces on the exterior of the car twice. He's removing as much of the scratches and the swirl mark that is in the paint. Pretty much every car has it, especially black cars. You can see it so well. Like they look like those spider webs in the paint, like they're just lines everywhere. It looks clear as heck. After he was done with that, he also coated the entire car with Ceramic Pro, so the whole thing just looks glossy. It beats water. It makes it also more resistant to like bird poop and things like that. So this came out really good. I'm really happy with it. I mean, just look at the reflection. See how clear that is? Like the clouds and everything? That's nice. Guys, it's Saturday. We got all the cars out. Clients are happy. Everything's good. We have a little bit of free time left before the day's over.
I'm bored, Haywood. Hurry up.
Tyler, what do you want to go do?
Let's go drive to Hummer.
Okay, that was not his plan.
What you want, what you need, what you wanna do, what you wanna do. Bad boys, what you gonna do?
We need more subscribers, guys. We need a lot of you guys. So I know that there's 40 of you guys out here, so make sure you guys are subscribed to us because we need all the followers we can get.
Do anything for clout.
America. Dude, I'd
shit,
drink
that's
that.
cool
Like
as
if you have
hell.
people over at your house and you're just like, what are you drinking?
That's
I'm
cool.
drinking
Like
this
samurai.
Oh, Samurai and Nikki was
Give me a beer,
good.
wait.
Dude, that's cool. Yo, when you were gone, man, Paul was like being a super boss, man. He was like wearing his spiker jacket.
Paul, look at how official you look when
God,
Jimmy's not around.
I
You
know.
walk around like, man, I'm the boss bitch now. Security's following us.
Really? Oh, we lost him. We lost him. There's a blue car behind us. We lost him.
Oh, there he is. There he is. Run, 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 run. Did I just black smoke him? I just smoked. We really gotta go.
Yo, we're at a stop sign, bro. We need to get the f out of here. Go, go.
He literally can't stop us. Like,
No, go, you mother.
Oh, he's driving away. He's looking. He's looking. He's still looking.
Go, go.
be a part of this.
Too bad, you are a part of it. Alright guys, that is it for the vlog. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. Join the
EVS crew.
Wanna hit it? Yeah! We wanna work on your car.
I want to work on your car.
He wants to work on your car. I wanna work on your car.
You don't work on cars.
Why you guys gotta put me down like that in front of everyone? So contact us, hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Let us know what you want, what you need. We'll take care of you because you're part of the EVS crew. I'll see you guys tomorrow or whenever. Peace.
Hey.
Wanna hit it?